We are pleased to announce that TimeValue Software and Northteq have joined forces to develop TValue Direct for Salesforce. This new application gives you the ability to use the complete loan and lease structuring abilities of the TValue amortization software within the powerful Salesforce platform. With TValue integrated right within Salesforce, you can perform any calculation, from simple to complex, and instantly have all data from the cash flow and amortization schedule written to Salesforce fields. This data can be used to easily and quickly create mistake-free quotes and pricing proposals. You can use TValue Direct within an opportunity, a lead, Encino, or a custom object. Let's see how TValue Direct works. For this demonstration, we'll use TValue Direct in an opportunity. TValue Direct will utilize the customer information from the TValue input data section, or map to your custom fields to structure the calculations. This same information will also be displayed in the TValue quote or quick TValue quote fields. The quick TValue quote is a new feature in TValue Direct that provides a simple method of determining the payments in a quote. The quick TValue quote is ideal when you need controls in place on what people should calculate. By clicking Calculate and then Save, the payment information from the quick TValue quote will be saved to the opportunity. To see a summary of a quote, hover over a quote number. When we click on a quote, you can view all the TValue data, including the loan and lease structure, the payment amounts, and the interest rates. If information found only on the amortization table is needed, just click View All beneath the amortization section. By clicking View All, we can view all the data found on the amortization schedule, including individual payments, interest and principal paid, along with the principal balance. Any of this information can be used to create quotes, proposals, or contracts. Now let's go back to the opportunity. More advanced TValue users can access TValue by choosing a new TValue quote. The templates serve as a time-saving feature, providing a means to quickly and accurately structure and calculate payments on a basic loan or lease. TValue Direct for Salesforce currently has 4 template options. I'll select the standard lease template to start with. Notice that the information from the opportunity is also displayed in the TValue input fields and will be placed into the TValue cash flows when we click Populate. Notice now that all of the event names, dates, and amounts are now perfectly arranged in the cash flow matrix. To calculate payments, we simply click the Calculate button. It's that easy to create a quote in TValue Direct for Salesforce. You also have the ability to quickly provide multiple payment options. This can be accomplished by saving and cloning. Let me show you how to quickly turn one payment option into 3 differing payment options by changing the term from 36 months to 48 months and then 60 months. So we can change the term in the quote data from 36 to 48. Then we click Populate. And then we'll click on Calculate. Then we will click Save and Clone. And now let me repeat this process to create a 60-month payment option. Change my term to 60. Populate that. And there's my 60 months. Now we'll click Save and Close to ultimately arrive back at the opportunity. In the TValue quote area, you can now see all 3 payment options, with all the data needed to create and send out a proposal. After the proposal is sent and the customer decides on a payment option, we can open the selected option and click Edit. We can then mark the Selected checkbox and click Save and Close. Notice that the TValue data from the selected quote can now be found displayed in the Opportunity Details section and is available for creating a contract. TValue templates are very helpful, but users are not limited to just using standard templates. A standard template can also serve as a starting point for doing more complex and creative deal structures. Let me show you how this works by structuring a creative loan tailored to meeting the customer's need. First, we'll open a new TValue quote and select the standard loan template to start with. And we'll click Populate to structure a standard loan. Once the standard loan configuration is established, we can begin amending the loan structure. This customer wants a loan with no payments for the first 6 months, and then they want to begin paying monthly payments thereafter. However, the customer will need to skip payments in June, July, and August of each year due to cash flow constraints for the duration of the 10-year term. To structure this deal, we'll change the amount to 0 in the amount field and enter 6 in the number field on line 2 to structure the first 6 months with 0 payments. Notice that the dates have been changed to reflect the 6 months of no payments. And next we'll click on line 3 and tab to the amount field and type U for unknown. Then we'll tab to the number field and type 114 for the remaining payments in the term. Then we'll click in the Special Series field and click on Monthly Skip and check the months June, July, and August as the months to skip payments. Now we'll click Calculate to view the payment amount. Then by clicking on the amortization button, we can see the 6 months of no payments, then the regular payment amount, and then the skipped payment months. Then if we check Selected and Save and Close, it's just that simple to start with a standard template and then use the flexibility of TValue to create custom deals to meet the needs of your customers. This concludes our preview of TValue Direct for Salesforce. If you would like to see a product demo or discuss customization options, contact Jeff or Jim in the chat room of our virtual booth. Or if you'd like to set up an appointment as a future date, click the Calendly link on the business cards. For additional information, go to the TValue Direct for Salesforce page at appexchange.salesforce.com or call us at 800-426-4741.